Well, here we are camping. Here's the official biscuit maker. Hard at work.
Everybody wave to Mommy.
Hello! Where?
Over here.
Hi! Simpson, say hi! I see Simpson. Look at the camera. Go on TV, see you.
What's 9 on the turnover differential?
Good dog. Good dog, you dog. Simpson's no, not nub.
What? Move your hands in.
No.
Is that all right for your warming up?
Only one kid on there. Guys, no. I think he wants to deal with.
Hi, Erin and Casey.
Hi. My biggest horse of all. His branch is just like a tree. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Look at E. Giddy up. That's right, horsey. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, horsey.
Hey, Daniel Boone over there. How's it going?
Patrick, are you riding a horsey?
I got the door so the kids will...
Patrick, the giddy up horsey.
Hey, giddy up, horsey. Mommy, look at me. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Patrick, giddy up, giddy up.
It's Jane.
Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up. This is the most. Giddy up, horsey.
You haven't met Julie.
There she is. Hey, your horse is running away.
Say hi to Ben.
Hi, Julie.
Hi, Ben.
How you
Your
doing?
horse is
I'm good. How are you?
He's getting you on tape.
Oh, my. I knew I'd make it one day.
Hi, Heather.
Hi.
What do you have to say? You like this camping stuff?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah, me too.
I have seats over there. Guess which camper is ours? Camper is ours. Guess which tent is ours?
This one.
Yeah, but you guys
That
changed your mind.
That one?
Carolina.
Whose is
Listen,
Sammy's and Kyle's.
I've been trying to tell him that Charleston is a world apart from the
Greg
rest
and
of South
Vivian's.
Carolina.
The world part
South
of the rest of the
Carolina,
world.
forget it.
Well, we were thinking Hugo might just bring Charleston up our way.
You tried,
It
man.
says the camper is for everybody else,
Actually,
Mommy.
it brought it more this way. Yeah.
Here, come on, so you can put down there pay for the thing.
Hey, Julie.
Yeah.
We got
I take a picture of you taking a picture of me?
Yeah.
I'm on, are you?
Yep. We didn't spend but a couple of thousand to repair.
The woman I work with, her mother got nailed and didn't have enough insurance.
Uh-oh.
She had an old house, a little tiny little cottage-shaped house somewhere.
Hanging in the hammock?
Gonna put it on.
Yeah? Is it fun? Yeah? Do you like this camping stuff?